Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the first lesson of research methodology, which is Introduction to Practical Criticism. In this paper, summaries are not very helpful to write good answers in examinations. It is important to read and understand the text carefully and deeply. Only by understanding the text properly can we write effective answers. Therefore, we will begin by closely reading and understanding the text. So let us start with Introduction to Practical Criticism. First of all, we need to understand what practical criticism actually means. Practical criticism was written by I.A. Richards, which was first published in 1929. Practical criticism is a method of literary analysis which emphasizes the close and careful readings of literary texts, especially poetry, without relying on external information such as author's biography, historical context, or critical opinions. It focuses on the words of the page. Practical criticism began in the early 20th century when Richards conducted an experiment at University of Cambridge. He gave students 13 poems without the author's name. Students had to interpret the poems only through close reading. This helped Richards study how readers misunderstand literature. What is objectives of this experiment? To introduce a new kind of documentation to those who are interested in the contemporary state of culture. To provide a new technique for those who wish to discover for themselves what they think and feel about poetry and why they should like it or dislike it. To prepare the way for educational methods more efficient than those we use now in developing discrimination and the power to understand what we hear and read. The heart of Richard's framework of practical criticism is the idea that poetry is essentially a private experience. Practical criticism as a technique of reading appears in Richard's earlier work, Principles of Literary Criticism. So, this is all for today. In the next video, we will discuss more about this lesson. Please subscribe for more such videos.